All right, welcome to Clearwater Our Only EV channel. Today, I do not have a Black Raven here. The car is out of town, but I do have it's not an electric vehicle, but it's a powered, battery powered lawnmower. This is a Dewalt battery powered lawnmower. This is a self-propelled cordless lawnmower. It's a 21.5 inch. It comes with 2 batteries, and they are here charging right now. Let's see here. I think one of them is almost full. Okay. Just 2 levels and one more. I've been charging for the past 20 minutes now. So let's see here. It comes with a bag and to collect. That's another reason why I bought that lawnmower, because I have an electric lawnmower. There's like an old lawnmower. I've had it for a few years. It works great. I'm just tired of having a lot of cord tied around my back and along the lawn and pulling wires. So I decided to get this at Home Depot, and the price is $599. So yeah, so I believe this is the best. Well, I won't say that. The price is kind of reasonable. That's what I would say. Kind of reasonable. There are some that we saw that's like $26.99 to $1,000 or more. I know Dewalt has a great review when it comes to power tools and stuff, but I will see how this battery powered lawnmower works. To somebody that might be interested in getting a battery powered lawnmower, and also yeah, I'll test it out and see how it works in a review. Unfortunately, I didn't record the unboxing because I was trying to work on trying to put everything together. I believe, I don't know if I did. Yeah, I think I put it all right. Yeah, it is how it's supposed to be. I probably will have to unscrew that and put it right. But apart from that, it looks like everything is okay. Right now I haven't powered it on yet, so this is the lever to start it. But before that, I believe you have to push the this button here, and I don't know if you heard the click, and then it will start the the lawnmower. And this right here is for the self-propelled lever. Yeah, it is for the self-propelled lever. And this is the bag. I was having a little hard time putting it together, but I was able to figure it out. What else? Let's see. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the channel. To all my new subscribers, thank you. We try to put on more videos. And to all my previous subscribers, thank you, appreciate it. Thank you for the comment. Whatever language that you post your comment on, I'll try and respond back in that language. Well, the good thing is this Google Translate. I can always do that to respond back to you. So I got a guy from Italy, and he asked a question about the update, video that I did. So I was able to respond back. I really appreciate everybody for watching the videos. Well, let me try and get the battery once it's full, and we will start the process. Going down, and I decided not. Well, I won't be able to cut the grass today. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, it is. And it's raining really bad. Anyway, I will try it out the next day once it is dry and not raining. Right now, let's look at the battery. Looks like it's almost full. Same thing. I'll be back when I start the lawnmower. Alright, welcome back. I am about to test the batteries. It appears that they are fully charged. Yes, 3 LED indicator and 3, but right now it is still flashing. So let's see, flashing, delay, code, pack charge. I believe it has to be solid. Yeah, it's supposed to be pack charged. It's not supposed to blink. So I don't know how long it's supposed to take. But so what I'm gonna do is I'll just put it in to start the lawnmower, and we go from there. Okay, and I have the battery packs here. They're big and a little bit heavy. Alright, let's open up this. Oh, it's not going all the way. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pick that up. And where are you? And there. Alright, secure. All the way, close. And let's see if, I think there's like an indicator. Let's see here. Is there? Like a battery indicator. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like it. All right, let's. So I have to pull this lever. So I have to put it first, then pull the lever and release. So it is loud. All right, it is kind of late right now. I believe it is let's see, 8:21. Yeah, I probably have to use it in the morning and to cut the grass. So and I'll be back for that. All right, welcome back. So the battery are fully charged. They're solid, and it's time to plug it in and use it. Let me go ahead and unplug it. Okay. And that's it. Okay. And it is on, and let's start this. And pull this. All right. And put on a work shoe and start mowing. All right, here's the lawn. All right, cut this part all the way to the back. And I cut it all the way here. And the backyard will be done tomorrow. So I'm about to do the front lawn. And I'm about to cut the front part right here. So lawnmower's dirty. It rained yesterday, so all the wet grass. All right. Just to add, just make sure that the grass collected in the bag are empty. You want to wait till it's full. If not, a lot of the get grass cut will be spilling um, out of the lawnmower. Going back to it. All right, I already finished cutting out the lawn for about maybe 30-45 minutes ago, and did great. This is just the first part that I cut to that end, and I'll cut the rest later tomorrow morning because I gotta go to work. Yeah. I did great. Cut the lawn. I'm gonna have to do the adjust the height so that it won't cut the grass too low. Let's see what the battery percentage. Oh, okay, it's on the other side. Well, I guess I'll find out when I put it on the charger again for tomorrow, because the big backyard. Well, the backyard is a little bit wider than the front yard, so yeah. But not to the hill, just to the end of the hill right there. That's where I'm gonna cut it to that fence. Grass looks good, just need to be cut. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel. Yeah, even though this is an EV channel, well, we'll also record renewable energy device or equipment, battery powered. All right, I'll be back with the other side, and actually I'll leave it and see how long it's gonna, you know what, yeah, I'll leave it and see how long it's gonna take to put all the entire battery to deplete, because it says can't cut up to half an acre, and there's no half an acre, just like a quarter or less right there. All right. I'll be back with more update. All right, welcome back, everybody. So I decided to charge the battery, since because when I checked the battery level display, it was low. Each battery has like 1 bar left, so I have to charge it. So right now, battery is full and it's solid. Battery is full and it's solid over there. So let me go ahead and disconnect. And plug it in. Alright, fits in. I don't know if it's going to work on one battery or not, but yeah. Alright, I'm about to go to the backyard. Alright, we are in the backyard, and the grass are wet. Alright, I'm gonna raise the height of the height this one as well. And let's see how it performs. Alright, so I really like the self-propel feature, but I don't think I'm able to figure out how to let it go on its own, or maybe it's not supposed to. But I like the fact that the wheels, the front wheel is moving, and it helps out instead of me doing all the labor. It's really good. My little guy riding his electric car. Mister, what are you doing? Alright, so yeah. Yeah, I like the feature. And let me get closer so that I can record more a little bit closer. I'm almost done. I've done about maybe 75% of the lawn, of the yard, in the backyard. Almost done. I'm almost done. Yes. Car performed really good. I mean, not a car. I'm sorry. The lawnmower. Yeah, the lawnmower did great. I only had one time issue cutting off because I got to a thicker grass. So far, it's great. I'll be back. Alright, I got some electrolyte drink. Give my little guy some. And about to start mowing again. And the sun is coming out to this side now. Stop. All right. And it's time to go and recharge the battery and wait till this dries up. And let me open up this. Let's see. Maybe not. All right. Sir, go back. Go back. You already got grass on your shoes. All right. We are about to. Well, I'm about to go in. I don't think I'll be able to do trimming and stuff today. Gotta get ready for work. All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'll give you more update on how the battery is performing. And I will have to do another test to run just how long. It's supposed to last at least 2 hours. Was it 2 hours or 2 hours 20 minutes? One of the two. I have to check the box again. Yeah, but did a great job. I might just have to find one day to test it on. I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, I don't think it's going to last the entire yard. But I will try and buy 2 new batteries, extra batteries, so as to test it with it, see how long it lasts. So, all right, stay tuned for more video on a Black Raven. Should be back this weekend. And I will do some range, new range test on the car, and see how the battery is performing at around well, it's going to be more than 9,000 miles by the time it returns, probably 10,000 miles.